Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a chicken parmesan. We're going to have a crack at doing ours in the air fryer, but you could keep it traditional, you could pan fry it, you could stick it in the oven, totally up to you. Pair really nice with some salad or even some pasta. So let's get into it. So I've got 2 chicken breasts. We're going to start off by cutting them into cutlets, which is similar to butterflying, but we're going to go the whole way through. It's just going to reduce the cooking time. So cut straight through, like so. And what you're going to end up with is 2 pieces of chicken like that. Same again with the other one. And there we go. Just going to put that to one side. Quickly go and wash my hands. I'll be back. So what we're going to do now is we're going to almost create ourselves a little production line, a simple breading station. So I've got my breadcrumbs here. These are homemade breadcrumbs, far cheaper than buying store-bought from the supermarket. All I've done is allowed a few slices of bread to go stale, blitzed it up in a food processor, put it in the oven, just until it's golden and crispy, and this is the result. Homemade breadcrumbs. We're going to need another couple of bowls, one for our eggs, one for our flour. So into the first bowl I've got here, we're sticking some plain flour. Don't really need to measure it out, just get it in there. Season the flour, salt, black pepper as well. And then into the second bowl here, just crack in the eggs. Give them a little mix around. Just want the eggs to something like that, nicely combined. And what I'm going to add into the breadcrumbs, just a little dusting of Parmesan. Season those breadcrumbs. Give them a mix around. So, grab a piece of your chicken, into the seasoned flour first, roll it around in there, shake off any excess flour, into the egg wash, make sure it's all nicely coated, you want the breadcrumbs to stick to the entire breast, and then into the breadcrumbs, just coat it in all those breadcrumbs. Really press the breadcrumbs into the chicken. You want it to look something like this, nicely coated all over. And it's a matter of just repeating this, the other piece of chicken. So the chicken's nicely breaded now, as you can see. And what you've got now is options. You could air fry this, you could stick it in the oven, you could pan fry it. It's totally up to you. We're going to air fry this one today, so grab the air fry drawer. Just carefully lay them in there. And what we're going to do, we're going to cook these for initial 10 minutes at 180. Right, so while the chicken's cooking, we're going to make the tomato sauce to go on top of it. A tin of tomatoes. I'm not even going to bother cooking anything, we're just going to get it all into a bowl. I've got about 8 to 10 basil leaves. Just going to roll them up, run the knife through. Get them in there as well. A couple of cloves of garlic, give them a bash, run the knife through. I've got some mixed herbs, just got about a teaspoon, not a lot. Pinch of salt in there, some black pepper, and also just a little bit of olive oil. If you want, you could mix this with a spoon, but I'm just going to get my hands in there, just squeeze it all together. But there you go. So you want your sauce to look something like this. And that sounds like the chicken's ready, so let's have a look. There you go. Now what we want to do is we want to carefully spoon this sauce on top of the chicken. Just a nice helping on there, spread it over. And now what would make these even better would be a generous helping of cheese. So you can use as much or as little as you like. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get these back into the air fryer until that cheese is beautifully golden. So let's check on the chicken now then. And just look at the absolute state of those. I think it's time to plate them up now then. I'll finish you off. Some black pepper on there. A little bit of a dusting of Parmesan on there as well. And also I've got some of the pretty little basil leaves, just the small ones, just to dot around. And look at that. And there you have it. Chicken Parmesan done in the air fryer.